We are about to drop this painting off to another excited client, and we're gonna get their reaction and see if they like this portrait map that we did. All right, see you in a minute. Is the whole story obviously is your interest and what drew you together and everything that your family kind of represents. She wanted a tree of life. I had the tree of life coming out of the question mark box because you never know what you're gonna get out of life. So, you know, in the game, when you hear the question mark box, you know how Mario is. You never know what's gonna come out. So in there, we have that, and we make our own life, so we hang things off of it. We decorate it like a Christmas tree, things that we love, things that we appreciate, and things.
Back up, Eli.
Same with right over in here in this area right here. That background represents cloudy days and things we go through, and this is her building this puzzle, covering all that up.
That's
Covering all that up and focusing on her life. This is her life here, and so that's a part of it, kind of, you know, the dark side of it, whatever. Obviously that's Mario's hat, and this is running the house because he said that was important to you all. This is Nala's favorite color, teal. You said that your favorite color is teal.
Yeah.
So that's why I made these teal. The three turtles represent the three children. The bottom, the waterfall represents the life that James give this man right here. And if you see the light coming out of the pit down there too.
Yeah.
And mushrooms are from the game. Your favorite flowers, lilies, and your favorite movies and the things like that. Oh yeah, another thing. There's a thing too. There's a yin and yang thing. The things that are opposite to you all.
Yeah.
Like the things that you jive with, the things you don't jive with. That's why you see on this side of the painting it's mostly blue stuff. On this side it's mostly red.
Wow.
Slice it down the middle.
Wow.
So, what do you think?
There are no words.
I am speechless.
Okay.
I saw the sketch, but you always blow your way.
Well, I thank you for allowing me to do it.